Zile zile, zile zile, yo alert, gal. Mille mille, mille mille, पे my.
Hello, traders around the world. How are you today? As I just finished sharing the Fibonacci retracement, how to use the Fibonacci and what is missing in plotting the Fibonacci. So today we're gonna make a trade plan, trade idea for today's trade, August 18. So as I always said, I need to check the US dollar index. What is the price? What is happening on the price and the US dollar? So yesterday it is a strong rally for the USD. So you know the drill. So we have a resistance in here. That's why you see what happened. It reject at this level, as you can see here. The opening is red candle. There is a reaction. So what is our plan for today? For today's, here is the trend line. So we will just react to what is the price action. Where is the price is going? Which direction it will be, bullish or bearish for today? So as I've said, if the price is approaching a resistance area, there might be a rejection. As you can see here at this chart, here's the long wick and this bearish candle trying to break this resistance, and it fails. The price goes down here, then have this reaction to trend line, then the price goes up again, then it tries again to break this resistance for a second time, then again it fails, then it goes down again near this trend line again. For today, it tries to break this resistance again, but I think it will fail again. So as I've said, if the US dollar index is strong, all those currencies against the US dollar will be weak for today's trading. As long as this price will not break the resistance, the USD for today will be bearish, going to be weak. But if it breaks this resistance, the uptrend of the USD will be going to continue. So we need to react. What we're gonna do is only to react where is the price is going in, just like riding the waves. So as for today, the opening of the price of the USD is red candle. So you check at my right In my monitor, Yuri is gaining, GBP is strong, AUD is bearish, BTC is weak, Euro GBP, and this is the correlation of the currency, guys, because USD, the dollar, is the main, the major currency we are using in trading and forex. So let's try to check some currency. Here is the 1 hour chart of the GBP USD. It's very clear. Yesterday it's going to be a downtrend because the US dollar is very strong yesterday. It rallies, big bullish candle yesterday. So what happened to the GBP? Goes down because of that move of the USD. So here it might have retest this resistance, and if it fails, this price may gonna go down here. Retest in here, resistance, and the price will go down in here to this previous resistance. So let's see what will happen for the few hours before the US market open. Same as here at the 4 hours time frame, GBP USD, it breaks the trend line here, and it is possible to make a retest. Then if it fails, the price may go down in here at this level. This is the resistance here. It will gonna turn as a support level. So let's see what will happen. Here is the euro. Try the euro USD. Check the weekly. Euro USD. Yes. Here, the weekly time frame, it continues to go down. What will happen to this level if there is any reaction, because this is already a support area? Check with the daily. Yes, it is very clear that this is the support area here, the blue line. So what we're gonna do is to wait for the confirmation before we enter the trade, before we enter. Check for the 4 hours, and the price goes down, then it rallies, but it fails, goes down again. It may be consolidate at this level because this is a major support, and weekly and the daily. Check for the 1 hour. Yep. It reverses in here, then goes up, then goes down again. There's no clear entry. Let's wait for the confirmation. We need to have the break of a structure in here before we enter. So it may be consolidate at this area of support before the price rally, as it shows at the direction of the USD. Here we have this resistance. We need to wait what will happen here. If it going to break the resistance or it will fail. So if the US dollar index is strong, if it turns to break this resistance, what happened to the Euro USD, GBP, AUD? They will be on the downtrend. They will gonna be weak. All the currency against the USD will be weak, bearish, if it breaks this resistance. So here the price goes down, then the buyers push it up. Let's wait for 1 to 3 hours, 4 hours like until the US market open. Let's wait for the reaction if it's gonna break this resistance before we enter any trade against the USD. At this Euro USD is structured, this trend line must break before we enter, before we have long position here, before we buy. As this price have rejection in here and the price goes back to the support and maybe have this consolidation here. This is the support area of weekly and the daily. So as long as this trend line doesn't break out, I will not gonna enter this trade for a long position. It needs to break this trend line in a 1 hour time frame. If you're gonna scalp this Euro USD, you see here's the formation of the candle. It consolidates, it rally but goes back, rally again, goes back again. Here's the consolidation phase stage. Then you need to break this trend before you enter this trade, like here. Like here, the price consolidate first before it rallies. Same here. Let's wait for the consolidation to be done, finish, before we enter this Euro USD currency. GBP USD. One hour time frame GBP USD. Here we wait for the reaction in here. This resistance level, if there is any rejection in this area, I might go short for this. If we see any rejection candle in here, the price may goes down deeper as the USD going stronger against GBP. For today, that's it for now, guys. This is my trade plan and good luck for your trading for today.
Zile zile, zile zile, yo alerg, iar mile mile, mile mile pe mai